always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another keto treat just before the holidays, and it is a keto cheesecake strawberry bliss bomb, or a strawberry cheesecake fat bomb. And I hope you can notice that I've got my ring light on behind the camera, so hopefully this will give more light to this video. So if you're interested to see how I make this sugar-free keto strawberry cheesecake fat bomb, then please keep watching. Okay, so for this recipe you're going to need cream cheese, vanilla, some fresh strawberries, coconut oil and some organic stevia. Okay, to the cream cheese I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of the coconut oil. Now I'm going to add the 4 tablespoons of the stevia. 4. Mix that all together. You can use a mixer if you want to, but I'm just using my hand. Now I'm just going to chop in the strawberries. Now I'm just going to blitz these and now we simply spoon into these tiny little muffins. I don't know how many they're going to make, but just fill up as many as you can. Now these need to go into the freezer overnight, and in the morning I shall reveal how they turned out. So now I'm going to take them out of the freezer, all frozen up, and I'm going to do a taste test. Just put them down. They're all set. It actually tastes like a frozen cheesecake bomb. It almost tastes like a frozen yogurt, like a frozen ice cream. So that's it everybody. If you enjoyed watching me make some keto sugar-free strawberry cheesecake bombs, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up and click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. I'm going to go now. I'm going to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I shall check you out in my next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye and peace to you all.